how to study. Now there are few things like when you study any topic, now just try to imagine. Imagination is important. Now if you are reading any topic, X, Y or Z, whatever it is, in the first read you are not able to understand the concept. What normally we do, we try to reread again, second time, third time, like that. And then slowly the concept start to build. That is one way. Another way is few students, they open a book, they take a pen or a highlighter. Whatever they feel important, they highlight or they underline it. Or they on the sides, they make a note like this. That is another way. And they try to summarize whatever it is written on the book. From the book, they try to make notes. These are the normal stuff. So rereading, these are three things: rereading, or highlighting, underlining, or just making notes. But what is the news evidence-based? These are not that efficient. What are not that efficient? Rereading, highlighting, and making notes from the books and all. These are good. These are time-tested. They have helped you in your life, in your career. But these are not that efficient. The technique which they have came out is active recall, or they have called it active retrieval. Now what you do is you close the and you actively now think in your mind. Actively think in your mind what you have heard or listened or you have read. Now actively write it down on a paper or think it in your mind after closing the book or that online source. Now what you are doing over here is, when you have closed the book or your online resource, you are actively asking your brain, you're using your brain to function. That is known as, the technique is active recall or active retrieval. So you have to first study it, then you have to close that source, then you have to actively work out your brain. Now this technique, active recall, it is better, it is scientifically proven, it is better than rereading it 4 times. Keep on reading it again and again. This technique is better. Why this technique is better? Slowly your mind is trained that when I'm studying anything, I have to be focused all the time, because I'm going to close my resource, I'm going to actively ask from my brain. So you have to use your brain. That is why the word is active, not passive. It is active. Just try doing it. You will see a mountain of change. So this was this technique. I hope this technique will help you. Active recall or active retrieval. Last things are the same. Last point. So try making notes with the book closed. Fair enough. And write questions. Divide that topic into subtopics. Highly recommended. And I am not just saying, in the past 5 to 10 years, I have urged students to use this, and you won't believe I have received the replied messages into my messengers and WhatsApp and all. That's that technique has held. I am securing more than 30-40% marks, that was a sort of, it makes me so much happy that when the students start to perform well.